You have the power to manifest any reality you desire, including a new job in just 2 days. It's important to understand that your external world is a reflection of your inner state. Everything you experience begins in your imagination, and by mastering your thoughts and beliefs, you can shape the circumstances of your life. Now, let's begin with something simple but powerful. To manifest a new job quickly, the first step is to get clear on exactly what you want. This may seem obvious, but many people skip this step or are too vague. You must see your new job clearly in your mind. What does it feel like? What does your day look like in this job? Imagine yourself walking into this workplace, meeting your colleagues, sitting at your desk, or completing a task. Feel the emotions you would feel if you were already in this role. The more vividly you can imagine it, the faster it will manifest. Your imagination is the most powerful tool you possess, and when you use it consciously, you can create any outcome you desire. As you visualize, it's essential to remain calm and confident, knowing that what you seek is already yours. This is the essence of faith, believing that you have received what you've asked for, even if you can't see it yet with your physical eyes. Don't focus on how it will happen or when. Instead, trust that the universe will bring it to you in the most perfect way. The moment you plant the seed in your mind, the universe starts aligning events, people, and opportunities to make it a reality. Now, here's an essential part of the process: you must detach from the outcome. This doesn't mean that you stop desiring the job, rather, it means that you don't obsess over it. You allow it to come naturally. Think of it like planting a seed in the ground. Once you plant it, you don't dig it up every hour to check on its progress. You trust that with the right conditions, it will grow. In the same way, once you've visualized and set your intention, let it go and trust that it is on its way. One of the quickest ways to manifest is through gratitude. Even though you haven't yet received the job, begin to feel grateful as if you already have it. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance. When you're thankful for what you have, or what you're about to receive, you signal to the universe that you're ready to welcome more. Start each day by expressing gratitude for your new job. Feel how amazing it is to wake up knowing that you're employed in a position you love. Let this feeling of appreciation fill your entire being, and soon enough, your external world will match the vibration you are holding within. Next, avoid any thoughts or conversations that contradict your intention. If doubts creep in, gently remind yourself that your job is already on its way. Don't talk about how hard it is to find a job or worry about what might go wrong. Every time you entertain such thoughts, you delay the manifestation. Instead, keep your focus on the outcome you want. Every time you think about your new job, picture it with excitement, knowing it's already yours. Remind that the world reflects your state of mind. If you feel anxious, desperate, or doubtful, you're telling the universe that you don't trust the process, and this energy will be reflected back to you. On the other hand, if you feel peaceful, trusting, and confident, you will attract circumstances that match this energy. You must live in the end state, that is, behave as if the job is already yours. When you go to bed tonight, spend a few minutes imagining yourself in your new role. Visualize every detail of your day, from the moment you wake up to the moment you return home. Feel the joy, pride, and satisfaction of being in your dream job. Then, as you fall asleep, know that this reality is on its way to you. The subconscious mind is most receptive just before sleep, so this is the perfect time to implant your desire. During the day, act as though you already have the job. This doesn't mean pretending or lying, but rather carrying yourself with the confidence and ease of someone who is already employed. Feel the sense of accomplishment and security that comes with having the job you want. When you embody this energy, the universe has no choice but to reflect it back to you. Over the next 2 days, you will notice subtle changes in your circumstances. Perhaps someone mentions a job opening, or you stumble upon a job posting that feels like it was made for you. Maybe you receive a call for an interview, or an opportunity arises from an unexpected source. Be open to how the universe delivers your desire. Often, things happen in ways we could never predict, but they always happen perfectly. So, remind yourself that you are worthy of the job you desire. Many people block their manifestations because they don't truly believe they deserve what they want. Let go of any feelings of unworthiness or self-doubt. You are more than capable, and you deserve to have a job that brings you joy, fulfillment, and abundance. The universe wants to give you what you want, but it can only do so when you align with the vibration of receiving. In just 2 days, with focused intention, unwavering faith, and a deep sense of gratitude, you can manifest the job of your dreams. Don't underestimate the power of your thoughts and beliefs. You are the creator of your reality, and by mastering your mind, you can shape the world around you. Let go of any resistance, trust the process, and watch as your new job comes into your life effortlessly. As you prepare to take control of your reality and manifest the job you desire, it's essential to approach the process with a sense of joy and curiosity. Too often, we get caught up in the seriousness of life, worrying about outcomes and whether things will work out. But when you shift your mindset and view the act of creation as a fun and exciting process, you allow things to flow much more naturally. Think of manifesting as a game, one where you get to explore your inner world and watch how it influences your outer experience. The more lighthearted and playful your approach, the faster you'll see results. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is your ability to shift your perspective. If you're feeling stuck or anxious about finding a new job, take a moment to step back and look at the bigger picture. Ask yourself, what would the version of me who already has the job feel like right now? This practice of stepping into your future self not only helps you stay aligned with your goal, but it also trains your brain to begin thinking and acting from a place of success. It's like creating a mental roadmap that guides you directly to where you want to go. One more key to fast manifestation is to surround yourself with an environment that supports your intentions. Whether that means decluttering your physical space, surrounding yourself with positive influences, or taking small actions that align with your goal, your environment plays a huge role in what you attract. If you're working towards a new job, maybe spend some time organizing your workspace or updating your resume. These simple acts send a powerful message to the universe that you're ready for the next step. In these next 2 days, as you focus your energy on manifesting your new job, know that the power to create is always within you. There's nothing standing between you and your desire except the beliefs you hold and the actions you take based on those beliefs. When you consciously direct your thoughts toward the outcome you want, everything around you begins to align with that intention. By keeping a calm, focused, and confident mindset, you allow the process to unfold naturally, without resistance. It's important to stay connected to your vision but not to become overly attached to how it happens. Opportunities may come from unexpected places, and when you remain open and receptive, life has a way of bringing you what you need. Trust that everything is working in your favor, and stay alert for any signs or opportunities that come your way. With your intention set and your belief in place, the results you desire will manifest effortlessly. This process is not just about getting a new job. It's about realizing that you hold the key to creating anything you desire in your life. Whether it's a job, a relationship, or any other goal, the principles are the same. By aligning your thoughts and emotions with the outcome you seek, you begin to shape your reality. The universe responds to the energy you project, and by maintaining a positive and focused mindset, you are able to bring your vision to life. Now, if this message resonated with you and you're excited to manifest the job you desire, don't hesitate to take action. First, hit the like button on this video if you found these insights helpful and empowering. Sharing your positive energy helps spread this message to others who may need it too. Next, subscribe to the channel to stay updated on more content that will guide you on your path to manifestation. It's a great way to ensure you never miss the techniques and insights that can help transform your life. And while you're at it, don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. That way, you'll be the first to know when new content is available to assist you in manifesting your goals. Also, Feel free to leave a comment below sharing what you're manifesting or any experiences you've had with these techniques. I'd love to hear your stories and help you continue on your journey to success. If you know someone who would benefit from learning about these manifestation techniques, share this video with them. There's great power in spreading knowledge, and by doing so, you help others tap into their creative potential. This channel is all about empowering you to create the life you desire, so stay connected, stay curious, and keep manifesting your best life. Your thoughts create your reality, and with focused intention, anything is possible. So, take a moment, like this video, subscribe, and get ready to step into a world where you can manifest your desires faster than you ever thought possible.